everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and taking proper precautions. Now students, as I told you in our previous video that we will learn about forward and backward slant lines. So let's start with forward slant line. As you can see, one line is there, isn't it? Now tell me, is this a standing line? Sleeping line? Anyone knows? Okay, I'll tell you. Which line is this? So children, this is a forward slant line. Which line? Forward slant line. And you can see the direction of this line is top to bottom towards left hand side in a slant way. Towards left hand side in a slant way, isn't it? It's not in a standing way. Okay, if you are making a standing way, that it will be a standing line, but we are learning slanting line. Which line? Slanting line. Yes. Okay, tell me a thing, how many of you see a slide? I know everyone has seen. Now I'll give you some examples. Suppose this is a slide. Suppose this is a slide. Okay, your slide look like this, isn't it? Now this one is a standing line. With this you go up for take the slide. Now when you reach up and ready to take a right, so which line you form? Which line you form? Yes, you form forward slant line. Which line? Forward slant line. Now I'll show you some more examples. See, if you keep your ruler like this towards left hand side in a slant way, so it forms a forward slant line. Which line? Forward slant line. This one also forward slant line. Which line is this? Forward slant line. Forward slant line. Hope you all are understood. The line goes towards left hand side. It forms a forward slant line. Fine. Now let's start the exercise. Take the forward slant lines. So what you have to do, you have to recognize which line is that, which line is forward slant line or not. If it is, so you have to put tick. If it is not, so leave it. So there is a note for parent. You have to note down this worksheet also in your child notebook and tell them to put the tick on forward slant line. Encourage the child to name the stroke also. So children, tell me, is this a forward slant line? Yes, it is a forward slant line. So you have to put a tick, but your tick should be on in bottom. Fine, like this. Nobody will put a tick here and here and here. Okay? Is this a forward slant line? Yes, it is a forward slant line. Put a tick. Is this? No, it's not. So leave it. Is this a forward slant line? No, so leave it. Is this a forward slant line? Yes, it is a forward slant line. So you have to put a tick. Is this a forward slant line? Yes, it's a forward slant line. Is this? No, so leave it. Is this a forward slant line? Yes, it is a forward slant line. So you have to put tick. Is this a forward slant line? No, so leave it. So our forward slant line is completed here. Now we will move to our next line, that is backward slant line. Which line? Backward slant line. So here we go. Now children, this is a backward slant line. As you can see, the direction in this picture and this line is just opposite to the forward slant line. In forward slant line, the slant will go to the left hand side. But in backward slant line, the slant will go to the right hand side in a slant way. Okay? Top to bottom in a right hand side. Fine? I'll give you some examples. If you keep your ruler right hand side in a slant way, so it's a backward slant line. Same as in pencil. If you keep this ruler also right hand side, so it's also form a backward slant line. If you keep your hand also like this, so it's also forming a backward slant line. The crayon is also forming a backward slant line. Hope you all are understood. Just a little thing you have to just keep it in mind. Which line is goes to the left hand side, that is forward slant line. If it's go to the right hand side, that it is a backward slant line. Okay. So parents, please encourage to children to do this exercise also. Take the backward slant line. So students, you have to recognize the backward slant line and you have to put tick also. Okay. Is this a backward slant line? No. Is this a backward slant line? No. It's a forward slant line. Okay. Don't be confused. It's a backward slant line? Yes. So put a tick. Is this a backward slant line? No. Is this a backward slant line? Yes. So put a tick. Is this a backward slant line? No. So leave it. Is this a backward slant line? Yes. So put a tick. Is this a backward slant line? No, it's a forward slant line. Is this a backward slant line? Yes, it is. So put a tick. Now this exercise is also completed. Parents, please, whatever the worksheets you are just seeing on the video, you have to note it down in any rough sheet, in any rough copy, rough notebook, whatever you maintain for your word. So just make it properly. Okay. And just encourage the child to name the strokes and put tick also. Fine. That's all for today. Rest of the things we will discuss in our next video, like worksheets and all. Fine. Thank you.